What's up, everybody?
Hello, we back.
Yes, we are. We've been watching videos of everybody opening up Funko Pop's heads and something being in them. Well, we got two right here. We're gonna open these up. We're gonna cut the heads open.
That we got from Hot Topic.
And we're gonna see if there's anything in it.
And they're Hot Topic exclusives. We're killing money.
So, we're gonna see if there's anything in it.
What I've been told, they cut the heads prior, and then they put the brain inside it, and then they use.
Listen.
And then they
move the camera down so the.
And then they put they cut it open, put the brain in, and then put it back on with something, and then cut it open again.
All we're gonna do is make a mess. But I want to see what's inside this head.
After you get done, can I use yours? I can't do mine. All I'm doing is scraping her eyelashes off.
I should have got a better knife.
The table's shaking so much. Let's see if there's anything in here.
I can't get into it yet. Oh.
Get it open?
Okay, we're gonna see.
Yeah, let's see if there's anything in his head. Let's see, is there nothing?
Well, I didn't even, well. Okay.
There was nothing in it.
There's nothing in there. Nothing!
Give me that.
You want me to do it?
No, I'll do it.
Okay, well, hurry up.
I'll try. I can't do it.
This is
I'm a little child. I'm surprised you even let me near the stuff.
Well, it's just a saw.
Wow, yeah. Let a little baby have that.
Well, you're not a
It's
baby.
just a saw.
Okay, I'll let him pull back this to show you. Hold it up to the thing and show him. Yeah, so where they can see it.
This thing is hot. The head's hot.
But see, there's nothing in it. Nothing.
Is there anything in the bottom?
No, there's nothing in the bottom either.
There's something in it.
There is nothing in there.
It's the stick to the head.
It's the stick to the head. That's it.
It looks like a toy or something.
Well,
this table is destroyed.
we thank y'all for watching.
And
There's nothing in Funko Head Pops.
so do not waste your. Do not.
Nothing.
If you have Funko Pops that you really like, do not cut their heads open. Most likely there is going to be nothing
There is nothing in them.
but the head sculpt in their heads. There's going to be nothing in their heads.
So thanks for watching.
So if you have a rare Funko Pop, like the very first Funko Pop ever created, do not cut its head open. You're going to be wasting money.
Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye. See you in the next one.
Bye-bye.